Hello my friend, good day. So today I went to our factory to inspecting this number 8 double coil zipper ironing machine for you. And this is the whole view of this machine. It's very huge, okay? And this machine have two chamber. The first one and the second one. Okay, let's see another details for you. And this is the name frame. And this is the wheel and the frame for go through this zipper into chamber. Okay, this frame and the wheels and many wheels for our zipper to go through this chamber. Okay, so you can see many chambers. Let's see the control panel for you. Okay, and because this machine, our zipper goes in here and come out from this two channel. Okay, and this is the control panel for you. In this control we can see the power indicating the power switch in the start button and another temperature controller. Because before we start this machine, we need to the temperature of this machine reach to our standard. For example, this machine have two chamber, the 1, the 2, and the first chamber we need to wait for the temperature reach 140 degrees, then we can start this machine. And this second chamber we need to wait the temperature reach 145 degrees, then we can start this machine. Okay, so now we just need to preheat this machine. You can see the temperature become higher and higher, and when he reach to their standard, and then we can start this machine. Okay, so please know, when the temperature is lower than our standard, don't start this machine. Okay, this is important things to be noted. Okay, let's see the back side. And this is the back side. This is the back side, and the zipper goes in the upside. Okay, and then goes through in the two chamber and then come out from the first place. So you can see. And later I will show in next video, I will show you how to start this machine and how it works and the whole process of this machine. Thank you.